Welcome back to Cruising America, everyone. Today we're rafting the Arkansas River near Salida, Colorado. We're Steve and Kathleen. We're cruising America in our 35-foot fifth wheel RV, chasing 70-degree weather year-round. If you'd like to watch our previous videos, please click the Cruising America playlist link in the description below this video. Otherwise, enjoy our current episode starting now. We spent August in the heart of the most popular river for rafting in the entire West. In fact, the RV was parked only about 50 feet from the river in a beautiful RV park in Howard. While we were there to see many attractions in the area, we also wanted to raft the river. Never having rafted before, we definitely didn't want to take on more than we could paddle. Fortunately for us, by the time we made our reservation, the river had dropped in level and flow rate, providing us with a nice, comfortable rafting experience and a few little rapids. There we go. In fact, we got stuck on rocks in a couple of places, and everyone had to bounce to free the raft.
We're getting there.
The weather was perfect, and we had a fantastic experience. We do recommend an afternoon trip, unless you're tolerant of pretty cold water. Morning lows in the area can be in the 50s, and combined with the cold water, you could have a pretty uncomfortable experience on a morning rafting trip. The Arkansas River in Colorado is home to some of North America's most popular whitewater stretches. You'll find everything from the wild, challenging section of Pine Creek near Granite, Colorado, to the thrilling and scenic family-friendly rapids of Browns Canyon between Buena Vista and Salida, to the towering rock walls of the Royal Gorge near Canyon City. Every class of whitewater is available, providing great Colorado rafting for everyone from families with young kids to the daredevil adrenaline junkies. Beginning high in the Colorado Rockies near the Continental Divide, the Arkansas River delivers 125 miles of whitewater while dropping nearly 5,000 feet, making it the most popular rafting river in the West. In other words, a whole lot of fast-moving whitewater, especially early in the summer. What makes rafting the Arkansas River in Colorado special? Besides the river is the gorgeous scenery and stunning wildlife. Along the Bighorn Sheep Canyon stretch of the river, you and your family might catch a glimpse of the magnificent bighorns, giving the canyon its name. Eagles and falcons soar through the sky, and rainbow trout dart through the river. You'll pass by monolithic boulders, red canyons, and through a picturesque river corridor. You can dip your toe with a 2-hour ride, or you can sign up for a multi-day rafting camping trip for 2, 3, and even 5-day lengths. The peak season for rafting the Arkansas River is May through August. Bye.